For Section 6 Parallel Project, adding PHP function to the business website. Part 7, Chapter 8. So I'm going to my HTML kit. I already have the main page pulled up or scrolled, because at the top of my page should be my PHP script, and that portion should show, it should have the update. Every time a user logs on, it should say today is whatever the day is, and then it should say the year, the month, and the date. So, for an example, today would be Friday, November 18th, 2022. Tomorrow, when somebody logs in, it should say it's Saturday, November 19th, 2022. And so the next part of session 6 would be the feedback form, which here's my script stuff that should connect everything together on my PHP. And over here is my feedback form processing sheet. Is everything that should be contained within it. You should be able to send an email message to the business. It should be a modified version for the client. It should be a confirmation that pops up on the client's browser, and then also it should log the feedback on the file on the server, and that portion is at the bottom. And then this is my feedback text file, and then I have on part 4 or 5-ish my product page. My product page. On my shopping cart, I do automatically, once you click the purchase button, I do have a JavaScript call to function where an alert message box populates and tells you thank you for your purchase. And then I also have my order form, my PHP for my product page, and that one includes an email to the business, an email confirmation to the client, and it all contains a summary of everything that was purchased with like your prices, items purchased, the price of the items, the quantity, and then your grand total. And then here's the email construct of everything, and then down here it should link back to the product summary text file, just like my feedback form. And okay, next thing I'm gonna show you real quick, my pages. I do want to let you know that the XDay MPP control panel good to go, but it's not really gonna work because I'm still messing around trying to get all of that to function right on my regular laptop from Windows. Okay, so here's the main page. At the top has the echo up there. But if it was functioning correctly, you would automatically see that. And then on my product page, this part, it says, thank you for your purchase. And then on my contact page, we're still working on that one, but the echo did display at the bottom of the feedback form. So once you put everything in there, it should populate and do what it's supposed to be doing once everything's linked up.